Yeah, my name is Matt Stumphf. I'm our sales manager here and do sales, handle accounts as well. Worked for Strike for 7 years. What we're doing now is we just took off from Salt Lake City, Utah, where we're located. One of my largest clients, Solomon. So we're on the way to one of their largest events. And really we're just going to strengthen that relationship, do some video, celebrate them and our relationship with them. And nothing says, a partnership like getting out and experiencing things. One important thing to note when you're talking about taking risks, taking a risk has nothing to do with being reckless. It's not acting impulsive. Risk can be calculated and it's still just as impactful. You need to make sure that you're weighing the right things and that you've done the proper research. There's several elements to it. But it's really about putting yourself out there and getting uncomfortable, pushing yourself forward, and knowing that there is something to lose and there's something to gain. Never get comfortable, never get complacent. Push the boundaries of yourself, people around you. Lift others up while you do it. But I feel like if you're not taking risks and you're not pushing yourself, if you're not moving forward, you're moving backwards normally. We actually encourage every employee at every level to take risks, really on a daily basis. It's not just from leadership or from any one employee. We encourage every employee to push themselves, to get comfortable, to take risks on a regular basis. And that is really when a team is excelling, is when everybody has the mindset that they can take a risk and not be afraid to fail. Because if you're afraid to fail, you won't really make any progress. Fail big, fail often, fail forward. And I think at Strike, the whole team embraces that concept. And I definitely think it's a key part of why we're growing, why things are going well, and why people want to do business with us at Strike. We're always looking to get better, and you have to take risks to do that. I take a lot of calculated risks in my personal life as well. I don't enjoy staying comfortable. I like to push myself to be better in all avenues of life. I do hike a lot, climb mountains. Living in Utah, we have a beautiful backdrop. Learned a lot of the best things in life on top of mountains, and when I decide to take risks and push myself to be better, it's usually when I'm most happy and fulfilled and rewarded. And I think there's synergy there with work and personal life. And to me, that's where magic happens.